So the clinical data, we are based our development operations in Shanghai, China, and they have the capacity there to support initial early stage clinical trials. And when we developed the CoupledCAR technology to be able to rely or based off of the activity of the CD19 CAR to help drive proliferation systemically for the solid tumor CAR so that they could have a better chance of infiltrating the tumor, along with a few other added elements to promote activity once they got there. We really started to see some good results in the clinic. With the lead candidate in particular, which targets guanylate cyclase C, which GCC as it's often called, which is a normal molecule expressed on the lining of the gut, but has been targeted before actually in other trials, other technologies, antibodies in particular. So it's been shown actually to be a relatively safe target, even though there is some normal tissue expression. So the activity we were seeing, we were seeing overall responses initially that were very promising, and now we've been able to treat 35 patients to date, and a number of different cohorts based off of the development process for our initial manufacturing. Our more refined manufacturing, we did look at some dose escalation. So we actually have 4 cohorts total in those 35 patients. And what we're finding at what we expect to be our therapeutic dose is a 50% overall response rate. And that's at essentially third line treatment. So these patients have already failed at least 2 lines of therapy, essentially standard therapy that you would see anywhere in the US or other places. So that compares to the currently available standard of care third line products, which see overall response rates of 1% to 2%. So very favorable response rates at that stage in the development of our CoupledCAR program for GCC. Fortunately, we also think that it's a platform technology because we can change the target, the solid tumor target, and we've done that and have, again, some initial patient data that suggests it can be efficacious in other indications such as thyroid cancer and prostate cancer.